Okay, I'm here now with Windows Server 2016. I have that in a virtual machine running at the moment, and I also have a Windows 10 client running in another virtual machine. So I've got a Windows 10 Enterprise Evaluation license valid for 90 days from the Microsoft website, and I've installed that on this Windows 10 virtual machine. As you can see here, what I will be doing is showing you how to add this machine to the Windows Server domain, the Active Directory domain. And first of all, in order to do this, this client must be able to successfully reach the Active Directory on the Windows Server, and we need DNS to be working as well, and we need a user account that's been created in Active Directory. So I'm going to go to cmd to bring up the command from, and the IP address that I statically configured on the Windows Server was 192.168.1.47. So I'm going to ping this and see if I get replies, and I'm getting replies now, so I can successfully reach the Active Directory server by pinging it. As you can see here, I've got replies, successful replies from the server, and I'm going to ping the domain of the Windows Server, which is mylab.local, as you can see here, mylab.local. Try and ping that, and I can successfully ping the domain name of the server, so that's good. In order to set up the DNS so that this client will be able to ping the server, especially the DNS, you go to Ethernet, change adapter options, and go here, click and go properties, and then IPv4 and properties, and you set this to use the following DNS server addresses, and I've put in the IP address of the server because I set that up as a DNS server, and that was at 192.168.1.47, and you have to set up the DNS server address here. And as I said, because I set up the Windows Server here as a DNS server, so the DNS server address will be the IP address of the Windows Server, which is that. And OK, and close that. Okay, now I'm going to make this client a client in the domain, in the Windows Server Active Directory domain. So I'm going to join this client to the domain, and I'm going to go to the search bar, type this PC, and right click on here, go properties, and I'm going to go to change settings here. By default the work group will be work group, and I'm going to change that, go to change settings. To rename this computer or change its domain or work group, click change. So you then click change here, and I want to make this a member of a domain, so I'm going to click domain, and I'm going to make it a member of mylab.local, and then click OK, and it will prompt me for the administrator username and password. So you just use the administrator account that was created on the Windows Server 2016 machine, and the password you set on there is the same you use here. And click OK. And as you see here, it says welcome to the mylab.local domain. Now I'm going to verify this. You must restart your computer to apply these changes, so the computer has to restart before it will apply these changes. So now I'm going to restart it now, but as you can see here, the work group has changed to mylab.local, but let's restart it now. Restarting. And the computer has restarted. Now I'm going to log into Tom Jones, which is an account we created, as you can see here in the Active Directory. Tom Jones is a user we've created, so I'm going to log in as Tom Jones. And as you can see here, I'm now successfully logged in as Tom Jones, and I'm going to verify again. So this PC, right click on this PC and properties, and as you can see here, the domain is mylab.local and the full computer name here, and it's got the .mylab.local because this computer is now a part of the mylab.local domain. And if we go into computers here in our Active Directory, we can see that this computer here is now part of the domain. As you can see here, desktop QEIK8J2, it's the same computer name here. So is now part of the domain. Now we can try to log into another user. Let's try and log in as Michelle Evans. So I'm going to go here, Windows, go here and sign out as Tom Jones. And I'm going to click other user, and username was Evans, and put the password in. And as you can see here, we are now logging in as Michelle Evans. Now we are logged in here as Michelle Evans, as you can see. And M. Evans, the folder's here, Tom Jones. So I've set this up to be able to log in using multiple user accounts off the one client, but in the real world, obviously, there'll be lots and lots and lots of clients, lots and lots of workstations. So, you know, like for example, this would be maybe Tom Jones' workstation and Michelle Evans would have her workstation, and they would both be joined to the domain of the Active Directory, like we've done here, that I've just shown you how to join a domain, like join a computer workstation to a domain. So in a real environment, there's going to be a lot of devices, computers that are joined to this Active Directory domain. So, but because this is just a lab, I'm only using one client for all the users that I create within the Active Directory, just because, well, it's easier, and there's only so many clients that I can put together because I have to use my RAM from my physical host machine, and I have to give a little bit of RAM to this virtual machine and this virtual machine, and I've already given 3 gigabyte of my, I've allocated 3 gigabyte of my RAM to this server, and I've currently allocated 2 gigabyte to this virtual machine. So if I set up I could set up another few virtual machines and make them Windows 10 clients and add them to the domain, but I'm only currently running 16 gigabyte of RAM in my host machine, so I'll only be able to do a couple more virtual machines and add them to the domain. But as I said, in the real environment, you're going to have a lot of devices, a lot of machines, like laptops, PCs, and you're going to need to add them to the domain. So, but yeah, you get what I'm trying to say. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope this was of some benefit to you, and thank you very much.